Happy New Year! We are out at one of the projects that we will be working on for most of this year. As you can see, we started this at the end of last year, and so at this point we are at the end of framing stage. So we're going to give you a tour to see what it looks like now, and then at the end of the project we'll give you an update to see how everything finished out. So let's go inside and take a look. Hi, I'm Hillary with Stalder Construction, and I'm here with Sammy, our project manager. And we are now in the garage for this garage ADU addition that we did over on Cherokee Circle. So I'm going to kind of walk you through the overview of the project, and then I'll let Sammy take it away to give us the details on the upstairs living space that we added. So this project is an ADU, which is an accessory dwelling unit. And what that means is that it's a detached portion of the house that contains a living space for either a family member, or you could use it as an Airbnb to rent it out in the future. So down here in the garage, we did a small addition off of the side of the garage, and then we did all of this wood framing up and created a living space with a single bedroom, bathroom, and kitchen. So let's go upstairs and I'll let Sammy take it away to give us the details.
So here we are walking up the stairs to our ADU. So up here we have a 1-bedroom, 1-bath unit. As you can see, we just finished the framing stage. So what this means is all of our electrical, plumbing, and HVAC rough is complete. We're just waiting on our framing inspection to be passed before moving on to our installation phase. So I'll need you to use your imagination with me, but here is where our future kitchen will be. We'll have our range right here. All right, refrigerator is going to be on the left. This area in here is our pantry area where we're going to have lower and upper cabinets as well. And then here we're going to have our island. Here we'll have our sink as well as our dishwasher and garbage pots. So here we're standing in the bedroom. We actually had the privilege of working with Marone Interiors, an interior design company, to work out this entire layout to make it look really nice. One of the really cool features of working with them is being able to help us design where the light should go based off of the intended use of the space. Here we're going to have the bedroom, right? We have the TV placement planned over there, so the bed's going to sit nice and comfortable right in between the windows here. So just on the other side of the bedroom is the walk-in closet in here. In the closet, we decided to put in a stackable washer-dryer unit. Right outside of that, we're gonna walk right into the bathroom here. So right here, we have our shower here, we have the toilet, and then we have our vanity space over here. We have a door that also feeds right back into the living room from here. So we have access from both sides. So here we are in our living room, and right behind me here is our dining nook. So if you could check out one of my favorite features of this house is this really cool circular window. So we actually had to wait until this window was delivered in order to begin the framing process, just to make sure all the radiuses were perfect. Another great feature about this ADU is all the natural light. And look at all these windows. And then, my favorite part here is being able to then open this door up and enjoy the beautiful sunshine from here. So here we are underneath the ADU. And what we created here was a little utility closet for the homeowners. And right over there actually is a little foyer that we created as well for them.
So that was our frame walk of Cherokee Circle project. I'm Hillary.
And I'm Sammy, project manager.
We'll see you on the next project.